Hello, welcome to HDR Garage. I'm Henry. So we've got a little bit of a bonus episode for you today. So recently went down to Abingdon and visited the MG Car Club. So here's a little whistle-stop tour of there. So we decided to come down to the MG Car Club, just have a look around. And this is Abingdon factory. And this was actually their office building. And Cecil's office is right there. So this is Cecil Kimber. He was actually the driving force behind MG's creation in 1928. So he was the managing director of the MG Car Company from 1930 to 1941, where he was asked to resign because he got a contract to work on aircraft during the Second World War, which he didn't get permission to do so from Morris. Unfortunately, in 1945, he passed away in a railway accident. However, he will always be synonymous with the MG Car Company. Right there. They had to keep the bay window in when they redid up this building. I just thought that was quite interesting that that's where he sat. So this is the MG Car Club, and this is where it's based, down in Abingdon. Now, it's got a really extensive kind of memorabilia and history of all things MG. They've showed us their archives and all the little knickknacks and trinkets and stuff that they've collected over the years. So let's show you a little bit of what's going on inside. So they've obviously got all the merchandise in here. If you fancy a hat or an MG sign or a magazine of some sort. They've even got MG top trumps here. So this is just a little memorabilia room that they've got. And Colin, who's here today, was telling me about all the different clubs throughout the world that are associated to the MG Car Club. So all their badges are here. There's ones from Australia and all over the place. So Colin's dad, Harry, worked at Abingdon factory on the MGBs and other MGs. And this was his toolbox with loads of just specifically designed tools that he created himself just to make working on MGs that little bit easier. I thought it was really interesting. Colin, by the way, has a really extensive knowledge of all things MG. He was here today when we just turned up out of the blue.
Just to show you, I say you've nothing in view there, but it gives you an idea. We got all the original factory records from the 1930s, wow. So it just gives you an idea of what we got, and then following on,
it's really impressive, isn't it?
Everything else you can think of. So
wow, it would be great to spend a weekend in here and
yeah.
have a look through everything.
Don Hayter, the designer of the MGB, your car, there's all these personal records there relating to the design of the MGB. So we got all that type of thing.
Wow, that's really impressive. Yeah.
Perfect. Anyway, if you want to wind that round and take a few shots, you're welcome to.
Yeah, will do. I always love it when they've got these engines cut in the middle so you can see all the inner workings with them. It's really fascinating. So, remember me showing you Cecil Kimber's office and that bay window, which they had to keep as part of the when they did that building up. So this is actually his desk that he used to sit behind. So I could not pass the opportunity just to have a little sit down at it. And I can just pretend that I am Cecil Kimber. So that was just a quick whistle-stop tour of the MG Car Club. So if you're in the area and you've got a free hour, definitely come down. It's well worth a visit. I know that's not my normal type of episode, but I'm a bit of a car geek. I know I'm not the only one. So if you enjoyed the video, please let me know, drop a comment, like the video and subscribe to the channel. But normal garage activities will be resumed in the next episode and I'll see you there.